with two little circles under it. There!
Maliit na estudyante ka na. Hi, little student! Look at mommy!
You're not yet complete. Hey.
Yeah! Hi! Look at mommy! Say wave! 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 Hi, I'm going
Wait,
to
labas
school.
na, labas na. Atid mo siya dun sa kabila.
Oh, here. Going to school.
Oh, no.
Hi, look at mommy, please. Can I see my school girl? Wow.
Don't be late.
Yeah! Good job.
Don't be late.
I love you. I love you, my school girl. Sleepy go. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Oh, I love you. Wow, teacher. Sit down. Sit down here. Yay! Can I have this first? I'll give it back to you. Hold it! Yay! 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile, baby! Look at the camera, please! Bye! Hi! Hi, Carl! Come here, not there! What, baby? What are you saying? What did you say?
I wanna go back
To the?
Labas na lang.
the other school.
Why? Where's your other school? Where?
Outside. My other school is outside.
Outside. Outside.
Tumayo siya.
Iba nasa outside. Your teachers here?
Yeah.
Why? Teachers are kind, di ba?
No.
No.
I like my brother.
Whose brother? The one who hit you?
Yeah. Like
You-
this. Book.
You like him, but he hit you?
Yeah. He hit me like this. Ouch.
Maybe it's just a soft hit. He's just joking. Is he just joking?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was just joking. He was just playing with you. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it doesn't hurt? Huh? It didn't hurt?